taught the sun where to stand in the morning.
Hello. Good morning. How are you doing, my gardening family? Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. To all my new gardening family, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for coming on board, my faithfulers. I appreciate you all, my channel members. Big ups to you. My newest channel member, welcome, 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 beautiful soul. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. You've been a lot to me. May God bless you all. I am just sorting out these onions to plant. I have several others that I'm going to put in other places of the garden. I generally, before planting my onions, I would do something like this, tip off the upper part of the plant as a way to encourage it. And you know, when you prune your plants, they do much better. So it really encourages it to grow healthier. Alright, so I'm going to be planting some of them around the edges, like going around here like so. Of course, I can just stick my finger and put it in, cover, and water. Right? Yes, I'm going to do that around the edges. If anything changes, I'll definitely let you know. So I'm just going to, get to it. So I actually went ahead and I rake up and stuff. My cleaning up process is not over, but for the most part, it is. So I have the debris around the outskirts of the garden. I can now properly finish up because the space is clean. I finally got me back some banana pepper. So I'm just sewing them inside this container right here. I am taking out some of these long. Let me show you. Cucumbers. I'm planting them in containers over here. And I'll have a nice little trellis that I have in mind to put here. I am going to have to find other places to put some of these because it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how I plant these two. Yeah. Alright, so I just fixed the mulch because I watered and everything was just I watered. I use the bucket and I throw water inside here. So everything was just over to the corners. So what I did was to just get it level again. That's all I did. Alright, so I'm taking off the baby leaves. I call them baby leaves. What you call them? I usually take these off before planting. Alright, so because the mulch is in the container, I'm just pushing the mulch aside until I get to the soil, which I am now. And I just simply dig my hole and put it in. I usually bring my cucumber up to here, close to the last leaf. Alright. And just tap in. Then I just simply mulch back. And of course, after I am done, I'm going to water them thoroughly. Yep. I also have some pak choys that I need to plant out. They are growing leggy. These are some broccoli and cabbages. I don't remember if I've ever shown you that I put some okras inside my banana container right here. Let's see how they turn out. I also planted some tomatoes in these containers, my fruit trees. I legit don't remember if I had shown you them before. So since I am showing you stuff, I'm just showing you them right now. So they're not looking the best, but they're not looking the worst. So you know we're heading into the rainy season, or should I say hurricane season. So we're going to get some rain. I'm hoping for the best for all of us in this season. We just have to trust God. Alright, so you can see this pepper plant getting some lovely peppers off of there. I need to show you another pepper plant. Well, several others. Well, not several, few others. This little one right here, ready to give me some peppers. I don't believe I've formally introduced you to this one since it started to even get big. Like when it was tiny down there, you've seen it in my tours, but I don't remember I've shown you after. Yeah, so it's want to give me a lot of pepper right here. Look at my June plum. Loaded. Talk about loaded. And of course, one lizards have to be on there. Another pepper plant around here. I'm in the pepper fever this morning, it looks like. I'm just showing you pepper, so. Yeah. Alright, so you see this baby right here, sir? I am going to clean it up like right now. It don't even get water. And it is still surviving. You know, sometimes I wonder how the plants in the forest they do so well. And even in drought, they fend for themselves. And sometimes you're caring for the plant so much. And the plant don't do well, you know. But I mean, but yeah, that's how marvelous God is, you know. Sometimes we get ourselves carried away and we want to do everything for ourselves, and all we need to do is to lean on Him. That's it. And He will do the rest. It's easier said than done, I know. But sometimes we need to just extend our faith a little, you know, including myself. So I'm going to clean this baby up and I'll show you when I'm done. I'm going to take off most of everything, literally, and I'm going to show you it. So this is the callaloo now after stripping. I am going to move it from here though. I'm going to put it up more. Yeah. So I took off all of these. Look at these sweet peppers or bell peppers. They start to push out peppers already. Already. I'm loving it. Struggling tomato. The cucumber don't look bad around here at all. I'm allowing these two to run in this bed. And let's see how that will turn out for me. The cabbage is not looking bad at all. They're not looking bad at all. This pepper plant, you remember I shared this with you in a previous video. It broke off from a pepper plant that I have up there. Yeah. And I just stuck it inside here. And look here. It catch, you know? It catch. Oh my word. It's about what? About 2.5 weeks now? Yeah. I planted some red pepper. I don't know if they're called Scotch bonnet. I think they're West Indian peppers. The red ones, yeah. And planted these two. Well, everyone that I plant in the garden, I plant them the same time. And look at this one. This one is loving its location. Look at my fig tree. You remember this baby? Man, this baby just doing so well. When I'm done planting and stuff like that, I'll give you, and I finish clean up, I'll give you a tour, a full tour. But the little synopsis that I showed you or have been showing you, that's exactly what I've been going on. So nothing new apart from what I'm showing you now. Yeah. If there's anything that I didn't show you before, I'm pretty sure I will give you an update. Look at the spinach. That one growing so nice. These asparagus, they're growing so nice. I think though that I'm going to have to move the container from here, this one, put it somewhere else and put something else here because I need my trellis right here for cucumber. This one I was going to move it, but looking at it right now, I think I'm going to move it. It's got to move it. Or maybe I just move the trellis. Yeah. That's easier. So I'm going to have to get something to, help out my asparagus to keep them up. So I'll just move the trellis. Work smarter, girl, not harder. What's wrong with you? Yeah. This is where I leave you for today, my beautiful gardening family. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.